My name is Melvin Wilts and I'm the Managing Director of Express Signs Yorkshire Limited. We were approached by Andrew Wright at Lathem and asked to produce a new sign in a material called Medite Tricoya. This is a material that we've not seen before, a new material to the market. So he sent us over a sample sheet for us to work on, test cut, to see what the product was like. We found it very simple to work with, cuts very easily whether on a dimension saw, a bandsaw, or even by hand with a jigsaw. Found it an excellent product to work with, simple to plane, sand, and very good for painting.
My name's Andrew Wright. I'm a Director of Lathem's Limited and the Site Director here at Leeds. We chose Tricoya. It was such an obvious choice for us because we've been associated with Medite products for such a long period of time. It was an easy decision for us to take. Tricoya is unique and it takes timber products into a different market. It competes head-on with other composite materials, plastics, aluminiums and other steel products that are generally used in construction, where timber products perhaps haven't been chosen in the past. So Tricoya opens up lots of new opportunities to sell timber materials into construction. Tricoya's environmental credentials helps timber products maintain their position in the construction sector as one of the most sustainable choices.